आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. We start exercise 1.3. Question number 1 is conferable for addition. This question will do yourself. Now I start question number 2. Question number 2 is find the additive inverse of the following matrices. Now a matrix is given. The question is find the additive inverse of this matrix. Additive inverse means you only will change the sign of every element, you will get the additive inverse of a matrix. Let's suppose this is our A matrix and we write the additive inverse of A is equal to minus A, is equal to minus A. Now minus A, we write here minus, and we write here A matrix is 2 4 2 4 minus 2 1. Now we multiply this minus with this matrix. This minus multiply with each element of the present in this matrix. So we write here 2 minus multiply 2 is minus 2. This minus multiply minus 4 it is minus 4, and this minus will multiply by minus 2, you get plus 2, and this minus will multiply by this 1, here is minus 1. Now it is the additive inverse of matrix A. Now same you write this and get the answer of this. Now the next question, B is a matrix and the question is you find the additive inverse of this matrix. So first you write the additive inverse of matrix B of B is equal to minus B. Now you put here this minus and you put the here matrix is 1 0 minus 1 and 2 minus 1 3, and here the last third row is 3 minus 2 1, and we will multiply this minus sign with every element present in this matrix. So we write this when minus, it means when we multiply minus with element of the matrix, it means you change the sign of a matrix. If a element has plus positive, you make it negative. If a element has minus sign, you make it positive. Now 1 plus, you make minus, 0 same, and minus negative plus 1, minus 2 this, minus 1 plus, and minus 3, and minus 3 plus 2, because minus 2 it become positive 2 and minus 1. Now it is the additive inverse of the matrix B. Now this is our second part. You write a third part. Third part is our C part. Now the additive inverse of C, you write here the additive inverse of C is equal to minus C, or you write here minus this sign with 4 minus 2. This is our matrix. Now write yes, this minus multiply this elements minus 4 and plus 2, you get the inverse, additive inverse of this matrix. Now the question is D. Now again the additive inverse of D is equal to minus D. Now again you write minus and put this matrix in this 1 0 minus 3 minus 2, and here again 2 1. Now this is a matrix, and you write this is equal to in this form a -1 0 3 2 and -2 -1. Now it is the additive inverse of D matrix. Now again the E matrix, you write here the additive inverse of E is equal to -E, or you write here minus. Now you put the E matrix 1 0 0 1 this, and you change the sign of the elements, or you get here this is our E -1 0 0 -1. Now it is the additive inverse of this matrix. Now the last F part is, you write here again the additive inverse of F is equal to -F. Now you write here is equal to minus, and now put the matrix here under root 3 and 1 -1 and under root 2. Now you only change the sign of this matrix, under root 3 minus under root 3 this, and minus this will be 1 -1, and this minus plus, or this minus again you write here under root -2. Now this is the additive inverse of F. Now the question number 3 is start. Question number 3: if A this matrix, B this matrix, C this matrix, and D this matrix, you find this. Now we put here A, and then we will add and get the answer. Now A matrix is equal to, you write here A matrix is given -1 2 and 2 1. Again this matrix right here, this 1 and 1 1 and 1. You will get here, you add this matrix with this -1 plus 1 2 plus 1 and 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 1. Now you get here answer is equal to -1 plus 0 and 2 plus 1 3 and 2 plus 1 3 again, 1 plus 1 2. Now this is the answer of this part. Now the second part is B plus this matrix. Now we write here B part, B matrix. Our B matrix is 1 minus 1 1 minus 1. This is our B matrix. Now we write here -2 3 this matrix, and we add this matrix is equal to 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 and -1 plus 3, and we get this answer, this 1 minus 1, it means -1, and -1 plus 3 2. Now this is the answer of this second part. Again the third part is C, this C plus this matrix, and we write here C values, C matrix. C matrix is given, this is 1 -1 and 2. Now write here plus this matrix -2 plus 1 and 3. This is not plus, this is our matrix. Now we write, add this matrix with this matrix, 1 minus 2, this -1 plus 1 and 2 minus 3, 2 plus 3. Here this is our matrix. Now we write here -1 1 minus 2 minus 1, this -1 plus 1 0 and 2 plus 3 5. Now this is the addition of this matrix with this matrix. Now D part, now this is D matrix is given here, and this matrix right here. Now we first write D matrix. D is equal to 1 2 3 and -1 0 2. Now this is our matrix. Now we write this matrix is equal to 0 1 0 2 0 1 of this matrix. We write this matrix is equal to 1 this plus 0, 0, 2 plus 1 this, and 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0. Again minus 1 plus 2, and 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, and 2 plus 1 here 1. Now we get the answer. 1 plus 0 1, 2 plus 1 3, and 3 plus 0 3, and minus 1 plus 2 1, and 0 plus 0, and 2 plus 1 3. Now this is the answer. Now again we find 2a. 2a mean we have the given A is given matrix. We write here 2 and multiply by A matrix. So now A matrix is given minus 1, 2, and 2, 1. This is our matrix, and we multiply this matrix by 2. It means 2 will multiply every element of the matrix. It means 2 multiply minus 1 minus 2. 2 2s are 4, and 2 2s are 4 again, and 2 multiply 1 is 2. Now this is the multiplication of 2 with A matrix. Now next is question is given. Now minus 1 is multiply with B. Now again we write here minus 1, write here my B matrix. Our B matrix is 1 minus 1. Now this minus will multiply each element of this matrix. Minus 1 multiply this minus 1, and minus 1 this minus plus 1. Now it is multiplication of minus 1 with matrix this. Now minus 2c minus 2c. Now here minus 2 will multiply this matrix C. We write here minus 2. Now we write the matrix C. C is 1, minus 1, and 2. Now we multiply by this minus 2 with every element. It means minus 2 will multiply by 1, minus 2 we get, minus 2 multiply by minus 1, you will get 2. Minus 1 is plus 2, and minus 2 multiplied by 2 is minus 4. Now this is the matrix. Now it is our 3D. 3. Now D is written here. D our matrix is, this is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, and 2. Now we multiply by this 3 with every element of this matrix. 3 1 3, 3 2 is 6, and 3 3 is 9. 3 minus 1 minus 3. This 3 minus 1 3, 3 0 0, and 3 2 is 6. Now it is the multiplication of 3 with D matrix. Now we solve this 3C. Now we write 3 and write the C matrix. C matrix is 1 minus 1 and 2. Now we multiply this is equal to 3 1 3 minus 3 and 3 2 is 6. Now it is the multiplication of 3C. Now the question is 4. Question is 4 here. Perform the indicated operation and simplify the following. Now our operation is given. This is round bracket and two matrices written in this matrix. We plus first this plus, then answer of this plus this. Now first we plus this is equal to, we remove this matrix, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 0 plus 2. Again 0 plus 3, this with corresponding elements we will add 0 plus 3 and 1 plus 0, this. Again now here plus this 1 0 0 1. Again this 1 0 1, 2 0 plus 2, and 0 plus 3 3, and 1 plus 0 1. Now we add this. Again we write this 1 0 0 1. Now we will add the corresponding elements. Now 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, and 2 plus 0, 3 plus 0, and 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. We will add the corresponding elements of both matrices. This 2, 2, 3, and 2. Now it is the answer. Now we write this question. First we add this, then after this we add this. Is equal to 1 0 0 1 and plus this 0 plus 1 0 plus 0 minus 1, sorry, this 0 minus 1, this 2 minus 0 2 minus 0 and 3 minus 0, this, and 0 minus 1 0 minus 1. Now we'll add this 1 0 0 1 plus minus 1 2 3 and minus 1. Now we add this 1 minus 1 0 plus 2 0 plus 3 1 minus 1. We get 1 minus 1 0 and 0 plus 2 and 0 plus 3 and 0. Now the third question. First we will add this in bracket, then we will add this 2 3 1 plus 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 0 minus 2 and 2 minus 2. Again is 2 3 1 and plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 0 minus 2 minus 2 and 2 minus 2 0. We add this 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 3 minus 2 and 1 plus 0. This is equal to 1 1 and 1. Now this is the answer. Now the fourth part of this, now we add this by this is equal to, right here 1 corresponding elements, 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 1, this minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2, this, and again minus 1 plus 2, 0 plus 3 0 plus 3 1 plus 3 1 plus 3 and 2 plus 3. Again we write this 1 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 1 3 3 plus 1 4, minus 1 plus 2 1 minus 1 plus 2 again 1 and again 1. Now here 0 plus 3 3 1 plus 3 4 and 2 3 5. Now this is the addition of both matrices. Now here again it is our fifth part of this question. Now we all add these elements, corresponding elements of this matrix and this matrix. This corresponding this 1 plus 1 2 plus 0 and 3 minus 2 2 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 1 plus 0 3 plus 0 3 plus 0 1 plus 2 and 2 minus 1. Again write and get the answer 1 1 2 2 plus 0 2 3 minus 2 1 2 minus 2 0 3 minus 1 2 and 1 plus 0 1. Again 3 plus 0 3 1 plus 2 3 and 2 minus 1 1. Now it is the fifth part of this question. The next part is sixth. This is our sixth part. First we add this, then we add this is equal to 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 1 2 plus 1 0 plus 1 0 plus 1 and 1 plus 0 1 plus 0. Now we add this 1 1 1 1. Now we write again 1 plus 2 3 2 plus 1 3 and 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 0 1. Now this plus and 1 plus 1 1 plus 1. Now it is, now both matrix we add corresponding elements 3 plus 1 and 3 plus 1 and 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 1. Again we get the answer is equal to 4 4 2 2. Now it is last part of the question number 3. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is the fifth question, and given matrices A is equal to this matrix, B this, C this. Now we have to find C minus B. Minus A is equal to C minus A minus B, and this is our left hand side, this is our right hand side. Now first we taking left hand side. This we write here C minus B and minus A. Now put these values matrix in this and solve this. Is equal to, and this matrix C, and C is given is 1, this minus 1, C minus 1, 0 and 0, 0 minus 2, 3, and 1, this 1, 2, this, and this is matrix. Now we write B matrix. B is 1 minus 1 and 1 minus 1, B matrix, and 1 again, this 2 minus 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. Right here, and round the brackets and minus A. Now we solve this. We remove these round brackets because we are solving this. Minus 1 and this minus 1, 0 minus and minus 1, this, and 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2, minus 2 and minus this minus 2 and this minus 2, this minus 2 again, minus 2 again, this, and 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, and 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1, and 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3. Now this is our matrix. Now write here A. First we solve this, is equal to minus 2, 0 plus 1, and minus 1 here, minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2, and 3 minus 1 minus 2, only 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 0 here, and 0 is also here, and last 2 minus 3. No, 2 minus 3, this is 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, this is our minus 1. Now is equal to minus A. Now we solve this. Next again page, we write the answer is equal to this, and this is minus 2 and plus 1 and minus 1, and again here minus 2, 0 and 1, minus 2 and 0 again, minus 1. Now this is our, now write here A matrix. Our A matrix is 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 2 3 1, and 1 minus 1 1. Now write this is equal to minus 2, this minus 1, minus 1, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, this minus 1, and this minus 3, again this minus 2, minus 2, this 2, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1, 0 minus into minus 1, again minus 1 and this minus 1, this is equal to this minus 3, this minus 1, minus 4, minus 4, minus 1, this 0, this minus 3, and plus 1 and minus 2. Now this is our left hand side. This is our left hand side. Now we solve the right hand side. We solve the right hand side. Our right hand side is, this is our right hand side. By taking right hand side is equal to c minus a and minus b. Now put the values is equal to, this is our brackets, round brackets. Now we write C matrix. C is minus 1 0 0 0 minus 2 3 and 1 1 and 2. Now this is our C matrix. Now we write A matrix. A is 1 2 3 and 2 3 1 and 1 minus 1 0. Now this is our A matrix. Our we round brackets right here and minus B. This minus B, after this solving we put the matrix B here, is equal to, now minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 minus or 2 0 minus 3 this, and 0 minus 2 0 minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 and 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 and 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 and 1 minus into minus 1 this, 2 minus 0 2 minus 0 this, minus b again is equal to minus 1 2 and minus 2 minus 3 this, minus 2 minus 5 and 2 only, and 0 here and 1 plus 1 here and 2 minus 0 2 here. Now we write B matrix. This is equal to, again minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 2 again 0 2 and 2. Now put the B matrix here. Our B matrix is 1 minus 1 1 and 2 minus 2 and 2 and here 3 1 3. Now we solve this. Again is equal to minus 2 minus 1 here, minus 2 minus into minus 1 and minus 3 and minus 1 and minus 2 this, minus 2 and minus 2 and minus 5 and minus into minus 2 minus 2 sorry 2 minus 2 this, and 0 minus 3 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 or 2 minus 3 right here is equal to this minus 3 this minus 2 plus 1 and minus 4 here, this is minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 and minus 5 and plus 2 2 minus 2 0 and 0 minus 3 and 2 minus 1 1 and 2 minus 3 minus 1. Now this is our result, and we solve again in the next page. Here we solve the next on this page is equal to this minus 3 and minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 and minus 4. Now minus 4 and again minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 0 and minus 3 1 and minus 1. Now this is our right hand side. Now we solve. We see this on the right hand side is equal to, this is minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 minus 4 minus 3 0 and again minus 3 1 minus 3. Now by from result we write here left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now the question number we start is 7th 8th. Now this is our 8th question. Now by taking left hand side, we write here is equal to A plus B plus C. Now we put the value first, round bracket here. This is our A matrix. We write A matrix 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 2 3 1 and 1 minus 1 and 0. Now this is our A matrix. Now plus, now we write B matrix 1 minus 1 and B matrix 1, yes, and 2 minus 2 2 and 3 1 3. Now this is bracket, we write here round bracket and plus C. This is equal to, now we remove these round brackets, 1 plus 1, this plus 1, 2 plus minus 1, this 3 plus 1 and 2 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 2 and 3 plus and minus 2, again 1 plus 2, again this 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 minus 1 plus 1 and 0 plus 3. This is our plus C. Again here is equal to 2 and 2 minus 1, this 4, this 4 and only 3 minus 2 and 3, here 4 and this 0 and 3. Now this is our plus this solution. Again we write one time again, 2 minus 1 1, this 4 4 1 3 4 0 3 and plus C. Now we write C matrix. Our C matrix is minus 0 0 0 minus 2 3, again 1 1 2. Now this is our C matrix. Now we add this matrix, 2 plus and minus 1, again 1 plus 0, 4 plus 0, again 4, this 4 plus 0, again 1, this 1 plus into minus 2 and 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3. Now we write it 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 and 1 plus 1, no, sorry, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 and 3 plus 2. When I write again, this is our B part. Now is equal to, again is equal to 2 minus 1 and 1 plus 0 1 and 4 plus 0 4. Now 4 plus 0 4 and 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 and 3 plus 3 6 and 4 plus 1 5 and 0 plus 1 1 and 3 plus 2 5. Now again we write this is equal to 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 here, 1 4, 4 minus 1 6 and 5 1 and 5. Now this is our left hand side, this left hand side. Now we solve this by right side. This is our right side. We solve the right side here. This is right side. Now right side here. Now right side is equal to this is our right side is equal to A plus B plus C. Now write here A plus, now round bracket here. First we write B matrix 1 minus 1, this 1 minus 1 1, and 2 minus 2 2, and here again 3 3 1 3 3 1 3. Now this is our B matrix. Now we write C matrix here. C is minus 1 0 0, and 0 minus 2 3, and 1 1 2. Now this is our matrix. We write here square brackets and round brackets here. Is equal to A plus, now we remove the round brackets, 1 plus 1 minus 1, this minus 1, and minus 1 plus 0, and 1 plus 0, and 2 plus 0, and minus 2, and minus 2 plus, and minus 2, again 2 plus 3, again 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, and 1 plus 1, and 3 plus 2. Now this is our this. Again we solve this. A and plus 1, this minus minus, and here minus 1 1 2, and 2 minus 2 here, and 2 3 is 5, and 3 1 plus 4, and 1 1 2, this 5. Now this is our, again we write this A plus 0 here, minus 1 1 2, and this is minus 2, this minus 2, minus 4, and 5, again here 4 2 and 5. Now again we put the A matrix. A matrix is our 1 2 3 1 2 3, and 2 3 1, and 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 0. Now this again we write 0 minus 1 1, 2 minus 4 5, and 4 2 5. Now we add this is equal to 1 plus 0, this 2 plus minus 1, this, and 3 plus 1, and 2 plus 2, this 2 plus 2, and 3 plus minus 4, and 1 plus 5. Again right here this 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4, minus 1 plus 2, and 0 plus 5. Now we again solve this question. On the left side, and this is equal to now is equal to 1 plus 0 1, and 2 plus minus 2 minus 1, and 3 plus 1 4, and again 2 plus 2 4, and 3 minus 4, and 1 plus 5 6, and again 4 plus 1 5, and minus 1 plus 2 1, and 0 plus 5 5. Now we solve again. 1 1 4 4, minus 1 6, and 5 1 5. Now it is our right hand side. Now right hand side is equal to, this is our right hand side. Now comparing the answer of left hand side and right hand side, we write here left hand side is equal to right hand side, this, and the answer is correct. Now we start question number 9. Question number 9. This is our 9. Now we by taking left hand side, we get is equal to A plus B minus C. Now we put A matrix. We write the A matrix here. This is our A matrix. 1 2 3 and 2 3 1 and 1 minus 1 0. Now it is our A matrix, plus we write here B matrix. B matrix is 1 minus 1 1 and 2 minus 2 2 and 3 1 3 3 1 3. Now it is our B matrix. Now we write C matrix. C is minus 1 0 0 0 minus 2 0 minus 2 3 and 1 1 2. Now it is our matrix. We write round brackets is equal to 1 2 3 2 3 1 1 minus 1 0 plus right here this 1 minus 1 1 minus into minus 1, this 1 minus minus 1, here minus 1 minus 0, this 1 minus 0, 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0, minus 2 and minus into minus 2 and 2 minus 3 and 3 minus 1 and 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 and 3 minus 2. Now this is equal to now write here 1 2 3 2 3 1 and 1 minus 1 0. Now that it is our A matrix, plus this minus minus plus and 1 plus 1, this minus 1 1 only, 2 minus 0 2 and minus 2 plus 2, this minus minus plus and 2 minus 3 minus 1, here this is not here, this is here 1 and 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 0 and 3 minus 2 1. Now this is our solution. Now we add again, this is 1 2 3 2 3 1 and 1 minus 1 0 plus this 2, this minus 1 1 2 0 1 2 0 1, this one. We solve this. Again we add 1 plus 2, this corresponding 2 plus into minus 1, this and 3 plus 1. We write this 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 and 3 plus 0, this and 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 0, 0 plus 1. Oh, here again. Next 1 plus 2 3 and 2 minus 1, 3 plus 1 4 and again 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 0 3 and 1 plus 1 2, again 1 plus 2 3 and minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 and 1. Now it is equal to this, and we write again here this 3 1 4 and 4 3 2, 3 minus 1 and 1. Now it is the solution of our left hand side. This is left hand side. We now write, now we write the left hand side, A minus C plus B. Here A minus C plus B, A minus C plus B, okay, plus B. Now we write this. First we put A matrix, round brackets here. Now A bracket 1 2 3 and 2 3 1 and 1 1 minus 1 0. This is our A minus C. We write here C matrix is minus C minus 1 0 0 and 0 minus 2 3 and 1 1 2. Now this is our C matrix, round brackets and plus B. After we will plus this equal to this 1 minus 1. 1 minus into minus 1. This 2 minus 0, 3 minus 0. And 2 minus 0 and 3 minus 2. 3 minus into minus 2. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. And 1 minus 1 and minus 1 and minus 1. And 0 minus 2. Now this is our this and plus b this is equal to 1 plus 1 and 2 minus 0 2 and 3 minus 0 3 and 2 minus 0 2 3 plus 2 and 1 minus 3 minus 2 and 1 minus 1 0 is here minus 2 and minus 2. Now this is our result. Now we write here B matrix. B is 1 minus 1 1 and 2 minus 2 2 and 3 1 3. Now we write this B matrix and we shall add this matrix. This 2 plus 1. Again we write this 2 2 3 2 5 minus 2 0 minus 2 minus 2. We write this again 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 2 minus 2 2 3 1 3 this and is equal to 2 plus 1 and 2 plus into minus 1 and 3 plus 1 and 2 plus 1 2 5 5 minus 2 and minus 2 and plus 2 and this 0. This is our 0. 0 plus 3 minus 2 plus 1 and minus 2 plus 3. We write again is equal to 3 and 2 minus 1 4 and 4 again 3 and 0 and 3 and minus 1 and 1 only. Now we again write this result again 3 1 4 4 3 0 and 3 minus 1 and 1. Now we compare the result of this 4 3 4 1 3 3 1 4 4 3 2 4 3 2 and here 3 minus 1 1 3 minus 1 1. Before this I have a mistake here. This is 2 minus 3, this is minus 1 and this is also 1. We take plus 1. Now this one minus 1, this minus 1 and here 0. Now 0 plus 0 here also 0. This also 0. Question number this again right here. Here I write wrongly. This minus 1 we write here minus 1 and this minus 1 plus 1 we 0. This minus 1 we write here 0 this and again 0 this. Now our result, comparing the result of this left hand side is equal to right hand side this. Now take the 10th question, question number 10. It is our this left hand side by taking left hand side. We write here 2a plus 2b and write here 2 into A matrix 1 2 3 2 3 1 and 1 minus 1 0 here and plus 2 B matrix and 1 minus 1 1 and 2 minus 2 2. This is our B matrix and 3 1 3. Now we multiply these two of every element of this matrix 2 4 6 4 6 2 2 minus 2 0. Now plus 2 minus 2 2 4 minus 4 4 6 2 6. Now we add this value matrix 2 plus 2 4 minus 2 and 6 plus 2 and 4 plus 4 and 6 minus 4 and 2 plus 4 and 2 plus 6 minus 2 plus 2 and 0 plus 6. Write again this 0 plus 6, 0 plus 6, 4 2 8 8 2 6. Here also again 8 0 and 6. Now it is our left hand side. Now we take right hand side. This is our right hand side. This is equal to 2 into a plus b. First we write 2 and we write round bracket here, and first we write a and then b. Our A matrix is 1 2 3 2 3 1 and 1 minus 1 0. This is our A matrix, and we write this A matrix, and plus B matrix. We write B matrix. B is 1 minus 1 1, 2 minus 2 2 and 3 1 3. Now this is our matrix, round brackets. Now is equal to 2. I will add these two matrix, 1 plus 1 and 2 minus 1 and 3 plus 1 and 2 plus 2 3 minus 2 and 1 plus 2. Again 1 plus 3 and minus 1 plus 1 and 0 plus 3. Now again write 2 is 2 1 4 4 1 3 4 0 and 3. Now we multiply this 2 by every element of this matrix. 4 2 8 8 2 6 8 0 and 6. Now we compare this result with the answer of this question is now this 4 2 8 8 2 6 and 8 0 6. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side.